Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the fuel rail pressure sensor on Audi A4 A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI and 3 liters TDI engine. Before I show you the location of the fuel rail pressure sensor on the engine, first I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for it in the service manual. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So first in the search tab I'm going to type fuel rail pressure sensor and it will show me the location of it. We can see here on the left, this is a photo of the fuel rail pressure sensor. That's what it looks like. Here in the diagram it's a number 14. It's located right there on the front left of the engine. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for the fuel rail pressure sensor. We can see the fuel rail pressure sensor is located right there, B186, illuminated in blue, and it has 3 wires. 3 of the wires are going into the engine control module. First one is yellow and red, and the other 2 wires are shared by a couple of other sensors. This one is brown and green, the second one, and the third one is blue and violet. All the 3 wires are going into the engine control module. Next I'll show you the fuel pressure regulator on the engine. The fuel pressure regulator is usually located on the rail, and in my case it's located on the rail. It's right there. This is the fuel pressure regulator. This car has 2 rails because it's a V6 engine, and on one of the rails is the fuel pressure regulator. And this is the electrical connector for it, and it has 3 wires. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.